Hey guys, welcome back to Geographic Maths. This is your host Ebony, and today we'll be talking about climate graphs and population pyramids. So you all may be thinking, so boring. Well, it's actually not, and you'll learn a thing or two listening to this. So what even are climate graphs and population pyramids? Well, a climate graph is a chart that displays yearly temperature and precipitation statistics for a certain location. On the left-hand side of this chart, there are numbers going up along the side of the chart. These numbers are used for the measurement of temperature, which is viewed as a line graph. And the numbers going along the bottom of the chart, well, they're for the precipitation stats, which is shown as column graphs. Now, population pyramids. A population pyramid is a graph that shows the age and sex distribution of a given population. It is a graphic profile of the population's residents. The sex is shown on both the left and the right sides of this graph. The age is on the y-axis, and the percentile of the population is on the x-axis. Each grouping that is created in this graph is called a cohort. So, for example, the grouping may be males aged 0 to 4. This is called a cohort. Why are both of these skills so important? That is a really good question. The reason why a climate graph is so important is because it provides a good sense of a location's seasonal climate. The only thing is that they don't really tell the whole story. They don't specify the highest and lowest temperatures that were reached on that day. Population pyramids, on the other hand, are also important because it has a greater yet more simple visual of how populations are composed when looking at groups of people divided by age and sex. Well, that concludes this episode. Thank you guys so much for joining Geographic Maths this week for this episode about climate graphs and population pyramids. Please come and join us next week where we will be talking about direction and bearings. Bye for now.